Okay, so the test tube method, essentially, what you're gonna do is you're gonna measure out 1.5 grams of yeast. Now all these measurements you have to know, you have to do it yourself. It's none of them is gonna be pre-measured. The only thing that's kind of made for you before you show up next week would pretty much be the sugar solution, as well as, so you use 1.5 grams of yeast for the test tube method. You're going to measure out 7 mil of the solution. So are you recording this?
Yeah.
Okay. You're going to measure about 7 mil of the solution. You're going to put it in the wine test tube. The solution is preheated already to about 40 degrees Celsius. Now you're going to put the yeast in there because this solution is a sugar solution. So when the yeast encounters sugar, it will generate they will start doing cellular respiration. Now when you do that, it tends to clump a little bit right away. So you actually need to kind of tap it a little bit to make sure it mixes well. I kind of probably forgotten that, or sometimes you might have to roll it a little bit so that all the yeast won't clump together. Thankfully, these yeast, even though say instant yeast, it's not exactly instant, and also the the process of cellular respiration actually doesn't really quite start right away. Okay, so you kind of shake them up. Now pretty much all the yeast is wet and encountering or mixing in with the solution. Okay. Maybe probably a better way to do it is probably use the stirring rod so you don't get as much yeast splashed up on the top, because yeast splash up on the top couldn't really quite do the cellular respiration. Okay. I'm trying to stir around so get more of the yeast from the side of the wall down. After that, you're gonna get a Quest Mini, you plug it into your laptop, and you're going to connect a gas pressure sensor. Now the gas pressure sensor, I'm going to put this on the tube right now, untangle this. The gas pressure sensor, you can't have any liquid going up this tube, okay? When you plug this in, I'm running Logger Pro, it should be measuring the gas pressure right away, but just to check, when I blow into it, the gas pressure goes up. So now what you're going to do is you're going to plug this in here and put the whole tube in the water bath, this water bath though, okay? Using a hot plate that's set at 40 degrees and using that has a large beaker filled with water. You're going to put it in here. You're going to press record. And then essentially you just wait until you see a measure. You will see the gas pressure goes up as this reaction, as a cellular respiration produce more carbon dioxide. The carbon dioxide will be produced, and then it will push the gas, increase the gas pressure, which you can detect on the Logger Pro. When you guys are doing the experiment, now I haven't done it yet here. Logger Pro right now is recording it every second. You quite don't need to have it every second. You probably just need to have it every 30 seconds for the results. Now make sure you're aiming at this part here. Now when you plug this in here, make sure you don't, even though it's tight, don't hold this whole thing down, because after a while, when it starts generating quite a bit of gas, the stopper can pop out, okay? You want it to pop out. If you're holding it on too tight and forcing it staying there, the test tube can break, okay? So you rather have it like this, immerse, and just wait until the temperature or the cellular respiration goes up, okay? That will be the test tube method, using the test tube and the gas pressure sensor. Okay. Stop that, please.